Hi, everybody, and happy Sunday to you. I just wanted to go over some items with you in our HEA 110 health class. The first item I want to discuss with you is your past Chapter 8 written assignments. Some of you failed to complete the multiple sections of some of the questions. So there were a few questions where there were multiple pages that you had to complete, and some of you failed to complete all the pages. You just did one page and then you went on to the next question. So please make sure that you're thoroughly looking at each question and making sure that you're answering each section of those. Please read the feedback that I provide on past graded assignments, as that will give you a better understanding of what I am looking for to help improve your future grades. Remember to expand on each of the written answers and provide me with a lot of detail, as much as you can. This will help improve your grade on each assignment if you do that. Just a reminder, as you can see here, your Chapter 9 assignments on alcohol and tobacco will be due this evening, October the 18th at 11:59 p.m. And this coming week, we will be looking at nutrition basics, and that will be in Chapter 10. Okay, so make sure that you're completing the Chapter 10 SB chapter questions, and you're completing the quiz and the written assignments. The nutrition basics chapter assignments will be due the following Sunday, October the 25th at 11:59 p.m. So in Chapter 10, you will learn how to list the components of a healthy diet. You will explain how to make informed health choices about your food, and you will put together a personal nutrition plan. So this is a really great topic for you to expand upon all the knowledge that you're learning in this class, and hopefully be able to apply it to your own personal life. If you have any questions about the course or the assignments, please feel free to reach out to me at any time. I hope you have a great week, and take care.